Unveiled in 2023, the latest edition of the Nissan Ariya stands as a testament to the automaker's prowess in electric vehicle engineering. This all-electric SUV boasts a sleek and modern design, representing Nissan's future direction in both style and technology. The vehicle's exterior is an eye-catching blend of fluid lines, bold contours, and intricate detailing, which together create a sense of sophisticated dynamism. Under the hood, the vehicle doesn't disappoint. It offers two battery options, a standard 63 kWh battery and a larger 87 kWh one. Depending on the chosen battery pack and drivetrain configuration, the Ariya can deliver a range of between 223 to 310 miles on a single charge. This flexibility provides the driver with the power to customize their vehicle's performance to their driving needs and lifestyle. The performance is further enhanced by Nissan's e-Force all-wheel drive system. This new technology provides superior cornering stability and traction on various road surfaces, resulting in a confident and engaging driving experience. The system can intelligently distribute torque to the wheels that need it most, ensuring optimum performance at all times. Another standout feature is the Ariya's ProPILOT Assist, Nissan's latest driver assistance system. This advanced technology offers a range of safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities in certain conditions. This system represents a significant step towards autonomous driving. On the connectivity front, the SUV comes with NissanConnect, a comprehensive suite of connected car services. This includes remote control of certain car functions via a smartphone app, real-time traffic updates, and over-the-air software updates, ensuring the car's technology remains up to date. The 2023 model also introduces a new feature, the Nissan Intelligent Personal Assistant. This voice-controlled AI system can perform a range of functions, such as adjusting the climate control, providing real-time information, and even learning the driver's preferences over time for a more personalized driving experience. The Nissan Ariya is designed to be environmentally friendly. Its zero-emission powertrain, coupled with the use of recycled materials in the cabin, underscores Nissan's commitment to sustainability. In addition, the vehicle supports bi-directional charging, allowing it to act as a mobile energy storage unit, which could potentially be used to power homes or return energy to the grid. The interior of the SUV maintains this forward-thinking approach. It features a minimalist design philosophy, creating a spacious and comfortable atmosphere. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, enhancing the premium feel. A notable highlight is the highly digitalized dashboard, equipped with a dual-screen setup for infotainment and vehicle settings, further advancing the user experience. The 2023 iteration of the Ariya represents a significant leap forward in Nissan's electric vehicle portfolio. Its combination of striking design, cutting-edge technology, superior performance, and commitment to sustainability make it a compelling option in the rapidly expanding electric SUV market. This vehicle truly embodies Nissan's vision for the future of mobility. In addition to its technological advancements, the latest Ariya offers a diverse selection of customization options. From a range of exterior colors to different interior finishes, customers can personalize their Ariya to reflect their unique tastes and preferences. Notably, some models offer a two-tone exterior color scheme, further enhancing the vehicle's striking design. The Ariya also demonstrates Nissan's commitment to customer convenience. One of the most noteworthy features in this regard is the e-pedal system. This innovative technology allows drivers to start, accelerate, decelerate, and stop using only the accelerator pedal. The system enhances regenerative braking, thus preserving battery life and enhancing the overall driving experience. Moreover, with features like wireless smartphone charging and Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities, the Ariya ensures a seamless, connected journey. Lastly, it's worth mentioning the Ariya's integration with smart home systems. This compatibility allows users to manage various vehicle functions from the comfort of their homes. For instance, they can start or stop charging, check the battery status, or even preheat or cool the vehicle before their journey. This synergy between the vehicle and home technology underscores the Ariya's role as not just a mode of transport, but an integral part of a connected lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.